Marc and Mandy. I'm pleased to be joined by Kortney and Dave from HGTV's Master Flip. Thank you guys so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having us on.
So what is the weirdest thing you've ever found in a flip house?
In this season coming up, I think it's in the season premiere, but we were opening up like the alcoves of, actually you found it, the alcoves of a house, and there was like a baby doll head, like a,
Oh.
It was weird.
It was behind the wall.
It was behind the wall, so like there was it had been drywalled in.
Oh wow. Whew. You know, I'm all freaked out. Yeah. Do you guys have any advice for anybody that might be a first-time flipper or wanting to start
It's not too late. You should get out. God.
Go to school.
Go to school. No, I'm just kidding.
A good education.
We always say start small. Start with like a lipstick and rouge renovation, and don't take on a bunch of house flips at the same time, because you don't know where your strengths and weaknesses are until you've actually gone completely full circle with a house flip. So, it's not smart to go, oh my gosh, I'm gonna quit my job and let's just do it. I think if you start with paint, you start with floors, maybe a kitchen reno.
And don't buy your second flip until you've sold your first flip.
Yeah.
So tell me, you guys have the best relationship on screen. You guys are so cute, and I was so excited to interview you because you're so fun. But you have to have disagreements.
Oh,
so
we do.
No,
what do you do when you have a
perfect.
disagreement? How do you
Just
how do you
bliss
settle it?
when every morning when she looks at me in the morning.
How do we settle our disagreements?
You're right, honey.
Yeah, right. You know what? I think the thing about it is we...
Look, we're gonna start fighting.
Yeah, exactly. About fighting.
I've caused a fight now.
I think the thing about it is that we are normal, and we do have disagreements. We try not to fight, but we do have disagreements. And sometimes we bring that home with us. We're totally normal. We try not to. That's one of our things that we've worked really hard on, is because we work together all day long, whether it's filming, flipping houses, press, book, whatever it is, when we come home and we're with our kids, we try to be really present with them.
We fight with them.
And let them take it over.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you both so much for your time today.
Oh,
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.